How much money can you make with an app? Think making money from an app is just for tech experts? Well, think again. Developing an app and making money from it isn't just a techie thing anymore. Today, anyone can make great bucks from it. All you need is a good enough idea. But when you're launching your first digital business or adding an app to your existing brand, you probably wonder, how much money can you actually make with an app? Let's break it down with real numbers and actual revenue models. Stick around till the end for some surprising success stories. Revenue models. Alright, here are 5 proven ways apps generate revenue. 1. Subscriptions. Think Netflix, Spotify, or fitness apps. Users pay a monthly or yearly fee. This model is great for steady, predictable income. Example: Tinder made over $1.79 billion in 2022 just from subscriptions. 2. Ads. Free apps make money by showing ads. More users equals more revenue. Simple, right? Example: Instagram made around $43 billion in ad revenue in 2022. 3. In-app purchases. Games use this model to sell digital goods. Think coins, skins, or special features. Example: Candy Crush earns over $1 billion a year just from in-app purchases. 4. SaaS. Software as a service. If you're offering tools for businesses, you charge users for access. Example: Slack generates over $900 million annually with this model. 5. Licensing and white labeling. Instead of selling directly to consumers, you license your app to other businesses. Example: Some SaaS companies sell ready-made Uber-like apps to businesses for thousands of dollars. How much money can you really make? So, let's talk numbers. Here's what you can expect. A small niche app with a good monetization strategy can make $5,000 to $50,000 per month. Mid-sized successful apps make $100,000 to $500,000 per month. Industry leaders? We're talking millions per month. Of course, your revenue depends on user base, monetization model, and marketing strategy. The key: solve a real problem, build a great app, and choose the right revenue stream. Success story. Ever heard of Calm? It's a meditation app. It started as a simple idea and is now valued at over $2 billion, making $100 million plus per year in subscriptions alone. So yes, apps make money, but only if you build smart. So now that you know the numbers, what's stopping you? If you're ready to launch your own profitable app, click on the link in description to book a free consultation with our experts.